like rain a go fall, man.
You so forget my book them before you know, man.
For real. Well, what me want to do, more reach a Spalding before the rain. Cause right now, anything possibly, you know. You see corona, all of them something the people will catch flu and them something. I'm interested in that, you know.
Yeah, man.
Watch party say I'm madman, you know. Away my go. A macaroni, you know, real macaroni. Yeah, laugh. Yo, where the party road there, so you know you have to watch out your eye, them, you know, brother. Cause yo, some people just drive like say yo, they just a drive for themselves. They in a business if they lick you off a road. Yeah, I tell you.
Yeah, man.
So,
I Giodan and I go for Alphansus Davis High School, the best high school in the world. Me not care what nobody want to say. You know me I go registration, me I go collect my books, me I go pick my subject, and you know me excited for some friend them and for know which class me I go in. Like a candle, I'm out.
I'm out now. I'm out. Make sure you're going to one good class that you will talk about, and then you can say I'm out. Alright. Sure. Watch me if you come book up in a big old truck, you know. A problem, you know, I know me I go late. Yeah, but I didn't sit there, you know, man.
I'm one book them.
Watch you know, if you go overtake you know, if me go around him, you know, and something there on the corner, problem. So you better learn this, you know. You see, when you drive, never you go around one vehicle if you can't see around the corner, you see me. So yeah, you see it. Look, you know, if me did go, eh?
See one carry just a go come on.
Then I may tell you, so if me go around now and go back up in that, you know, problem, you know. Now me have to hitch up back. Yo, watch the old truck. Look if nothing now. See some more, they're in trouble. They're in trouble. So by right, where you want, as me I say, last night me I talk to you and you sound like you're neither here nor there. Which career you go choose? Where you go choose? The subject them answer.
Just to be honest, the career now. One doctor.
You want to be one doctor. So you know, so if you want to be one doctor, you have to go choose sciences and yeah, so sciences you have to choose. So maths, English, you know that a must, and then you have to go choose like biochemistry, physics, and then something. Then you take hard work. So I don't know, like a walk over business, a hard work you take. Yeah, read Spalding safe, you know, so up to the hill. Place I bring back memories, you know, cause when we used to go and knocks up there hill, you see me. Alright, so reach. Alright, almost. Almost. You excited to see your friend name?
Yes, of course.
Alright, so we are enter school compound here now. Gee, you know me that hope for be first, you go through then first way. Oh, I get wide open, me just a drive through still, me see no security. Yeah, look a spot you know, park and thing. John, me just like the environment of the school.
Yeah. So we are go by main office now, go handy in your receipt. Yeah man, I know but I pretty walk, you know. You walk no shaky. And you know lean, you know, he's straight.
Why you not going? Go on. But where this brother stop and look back for? Go on, man. Me not lie though, me like the environment. Me hope so when school open back them not dirty up a place. Cause me not like place look clean and nice. You understand? Alphansus Davis. Hey. Still no better than Knox. Hey, still, but you don't know.
What you talk about? We bet me lunch money for the week. Say Alphansus cleaner than us.
Well, see, them some you have some parents were first we still, but I think we're third. I think we're a third person reach. No, we're third. So we just wait until them start up a thing, you understand? But right now, I'll be interested in if you know which class you are going to. You need to know if you make any improvement from before. Even though you never have much regret from still because you only do one term. But at the time I main interest still.
Right now, we are in receipt time I go collect the book them. So come with me now. Alright, see there, I call me book them now. Ready to go and study. Study. Me feel a joke. I study, me I go study as I go home.
But if you say anything, action speak louder than words. So you turn about it, think a joke. If you say you go study, you have to dedicate it to study. You have to dedicate yourself to study. You can't just say you go study and just make it be mouth talk. Because a buckle up time now, you have enough years left in your high school. That me I tell you. You not even see none of your friend them. Look like everybody now come out today.
Me did see some.
You see someone you not talk to them?
Yeah, I did then just say true and me just say, yo.
then I saw uno live. When me there go to high school I miss my friend them.
I don't really friend, I like my classmate them. I know my friend them like when me talk to.
Okay. Alright, so we're left out here now. Goodbye to the great Alphansus Davis High. Name they have a buzz, That name, that school name they have a buzz. Alphansus Davis High. ADHS. A mad thing, man. Yes, so registration is done for the day. Yeah, me actually waste a day still in a sense where I should have been at work because I thought that we would be doing more things at school. Unfortunately, it was just about registration and collecting the books.
Alright, I'm back. Safe and sound. So build some song and study now. Can we have my book then, remember? Book. I'm out. Just remember to subscribe to my channel. Like a candle, I'm out.
Oh.